The housing market continues to show strong levels of activity according to the latest housing market report from the National Association of Estate Agents Property Mark, who indicate that due to the high level of demand, houses are being sold at the asking price or at best and final bids basis in much of the UK. Following the UK government budget at the start of March, the latest figures for England and Wales show continued growth. Agents around the country have reported extremely busy housing markets, with many bracing themselves for increased activity throughout Easter, and the government is expected to start loosening restrictions. House price growth was above 4% for the fourth month in a row, the first time this has happened since 2007. While the figures were positive, there are some regional differences across the country. In the weeks following the budget, demand was 80% higher than at the same time last year. The trend towards properties with more space continued, with demand for three-bedroom properties seeing the biggest post-budget bounce. Whilst demand was strong, sales were constrained by supply issues, putting upward pressure on prices. This is expected to ease somewhat as lockdown restrictions are loosened and more properties come onto the market, where senior vendors are now considering downsizing. The land transaction tax relief in Wales is encouraging for first-time buyers to come onto the property ladder. However, the relief is not having a great impact on the middle to upper price levels, as the savings in Wales is minimal compared to the stamp duty relief savings in England. The ending of the furlough and increase in unemployment may slow down the market somewhat, coupled with the mortgage holiday ending and tenant evictions starting to take place. This could result in the steam coming off the housing market and becoming more stable. This is Tony Felici until the next update, saying goodbye.